Hello guys, this is your host Akshita from DHC New Homes. So today we are here at Chembur. Sandu Developers presents Shilpa Datta. Sandu Shilpa Datta is a combination of Sandu developers' deep-rooted values with modern amenities and features. A rare stone with the craving of Shilpa Datta Guru was unearthed from this site many years back and have been worshipped for years. The faith and presence inspired us to give the name Shilpa Datta they inspired us to give the name Shilpa Datta as an ode to the divine legend and the power that protects the land. So that is why they have named the Sandu Shilpa Datta. Today we are going to see some basically the location advantages as well as the major USPs of the project, as well as we are also seeing the amenities, the modern world-class amenities that they are providing you along with this project. We're also going to explore the sample flat, and I'll be explaining you all the major USPs that you're getting along with the project. If I talk about the major USPs of this project, this is centrally located near the Devi temple, which is very much in close distance from here. Well ventilated and brilliantly designed with abundant of natural lights and air. Splendid Eastern Express freeway views you are getting from this project. 3 dedicated spaces for your amenities, premium finishes and fittings. Security of a gated community you are getting here. Proximity to your Eastern Freeway. Just talk about basically it is just 40 minutes drive from the for your international airport. If I talk about it, it's just 40 minutes of drive. Guys, if I talk about the construction status for this one, basically as on April 24, the construction status, your A wing 18th slab of the project is already completed, and for your B wing 10th slab is in making. Right, so let us just go forward and explore the sample plan. We just help you explore their beautiful 2 BHK of 702 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing in the spacious living area. As you enter in from here, this right here is your main entrance, and on your right you have your open kitchen. That is again a L-size kitchen, L-shaped kitchen. Then here comes your sink area, and you have good space for your fridge unit also. And then here comes your dining space, guys, with a 4-seater of beautiful dining area. And then you have this sitting space right here along with your center table and TV unit. You also have some space for your balcony. Just have a look. This right here is going to be your balcony, guys. Again, very spacious. As I said, they're giving you 10.5 feet of ceiling height, and then on my right you have your very spacious and luxurious common washroom. Guys, this right here is going to be your common washroom. Just have a look at the premium fittings that they have installed. And just opposite to that, you have your very beautiful common bedroom. Guys, this right here is going to be your common bedroom. So you can definitely make it as a kid's bedroom or maybe a guest room. You have a very long size wardrobe space right here. Again, some more storage things. Here comes your beautiful queen size bed. Here comes your dressing area, and then you have some moving space, and they have beautifully designed this long length mirror. And then comes your very luxurious master bedroom. Guys, this right here is going to be a master bedroom with a queen size bed. They've also placed a champagne right here. And then you have your side tables, and this place can be basically customized as per your needs for your wardrobe space, or you can put it a good dressing table right here. They have given a long length mirror, and then you have this very beautiful wardrobe space. Guys, just look at the premium finishing that they have given all across the room. So you can see again this ceiling height is 10.5 feet, and then comes your very luxurious bathing area. Guys, this right here is going to be your attached washroom along with the premium fittings installed in your washroom. Just have a look. So again, as I said, this right here is going to be your 2 BHK 702 carpet.